Alright, so in today's video, we're going to clean the craft room. Let's take a peek. Alright, so my goal today is to clean this when I would much rather be exploring this. Alright, so to make this process easier, I'm just going to start off on the floor and get like items together and see where we can go from there. My shelves are completely warped and will not hold paper, not even one, on this side. So I need to take it all apart and I need to figure something out. Alright, so progress is being made. I just got to keep going. I took all of the swaps that you guys gave me and I just put them all in these bags. There are a couple of them per bag. I'm going to separate them out and put each in one bag. Because I have to get working on your souvenirs that were, due a long time ago. But life be lifin', okay? Alright, so now I just have to take this stuff and find places to put it. The boxes will go into my closet. But I pretty much got everything organized on the floor. I just have to put it away. Decided my tools are going under here. I was going to use that. We're going to stop holding on to things saying we're going. No, we're getting things only when we're in the middle of doing and we needed it. Okay? Need to stop the excessive shopping and not crafting with all the stuff I buy. It's a problem. So I'm going to go ahead and clear the floor, put these boxes in my closet, and then we will start on the table. All right, and here we are at the end. It's not 100%, but at least I can see my floor. This paper has to be, all of this has to be fixed and figure out how to get it to hold paper. Put popsicle sticks, extenders, I don't know. That corner still needs to be done. But this has been put back together somewhat. I have to do little things like put all of my metal dies on their magnet and organize them. These need to go in here, but at least everything is in the area where it needs to be because I'm burning up and I'm thirsty. All of my swaps are back there that I'm going to take care of. This is not clean yet. I need to figure out a system for using this, like put my swaps on there or something. I don't know. My floor still needs to be vacuumed and mopped. That will happen. These are extra containers that we don't know if we're going to keep, donate, what we're going to do. But I have a clean surface. And I have my box of books that I'm going to start making little notebooks. and getting rid of all of that nonsense. Yeah, I'm going to use what I have and get rid of all of it. Dishes have to go downstairs. So, it's much better. It's not 100%, but at least I can walk in here, go to my craft desk, do some crafting, and we're good. I don't know oh, I've got a bunch of swaps in, and so that cluttered up all of this area. And then I was trying to make swaps and have holes and do all of that, and then I took a bag of stuff over to Jenna's to do some crafting. When I came back, I dumped it. Yeah, it was a problem. So it's better. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love adding new friends. And I'll see you real soon in the craft room. Bye everyone.